Hi guys, welcome to another market news and updates. I'm your host Omi. Welcome to OMI-MIZ YouTube channel. As we can see, we're still stuck at 21. There's been no upside, there hasn't been much downside, though we can see in the charts we are kind of going up, but koi na aise waise bane na koi aisa dump aaya hai. Market is kind of stuck. So yesterday we were also 21, today we are still at 21. There hasn't been much upside or downside to be discussed in the market, but hum discuss kar sakte hain what's going to be happening on this weekend. So without any waste, let's jump in. So we can jump into coin market cap and see the coin market cap mein hamare paas what is happening. So we can see right now BTC's dominance has come down again the historical level. So it is at about 39.5. ETH's dominance is at about 19.1. We would like to have it back to 20, 21, 22. That would be something amazing. ETH can easily go to $4,000 if that happens. अगर हम ग्लोबल क्रिप्टो मार्केट कैप को देखें, इट्स एट अबाउट 2.5 ट्रिलियन राइट नाउ. थोड़ा सा डिक्रीज आ गया. वी आर सीइंग मार्केट इज पंपिंग एंड डंपिंग एट द सेम टाइम. थोड़ी सी पंप होती है. वी हैव सो मच हाई लेवरेज पीपल राइट नाउ इन द मार्केट्स and even the interest is so low and whales haven't really been pumping the money right now. We can clearly see no big bullish whales candles coming into play at this moment. Market काफी sideways हुई है and it's also quite boring. So if we see market is still at 42,892. Yesterday we made a high above 44, but उसमें भी कुछ upside नहीं रही. We started to come down as soon as the day began to end. So if we just scroll through, we can clearly see ETH is down, BTC is down, main major coins right now are down, though we can see a massive upside possible right now, likely to happen on our altcoins. So हमें देखना होगा how altcoins are going to be behaving in the short and long term for now, because we already know we've started into the weekend. Weekends are quite boring, quite sideways, though we can expect some massive movements coming into the weekends as well. थोड़ा बहुत आजकल होने लगा है कि weekend में भी एकदम से bulls market को pump कर देते हैं. We never know about it. Overall, we look at the market, it seems quite sideways, though Phantom is behaving pretty well. Phantom ने बहुत अच्छा pump भी मारा है. We also had Atom still trading around $44-38. Major market has been trading in the same levels, not much difference. Some pump and a little dump is going on in the market for now. So let's see what's happening in our charts. The charts में हम लोग clearly देख सकते हैं. For now, market is pretty sideways. Each dominance has been rejecting. The main interesting factor that I'm watching very carefully throughout this week was total में हमने देखा we had a very nice breakout and then we began to have a sideways movement around our downtrend line. We went down for a retest. Now we're trying to have another test to break down, and that would be the best situation if ETH can break this dominance out and go back up and probably trade higher than this zone. Otherwise, if we see and look into BTC's dominance has again done what it was supposed to do, which is break this critical line that haven't been broken since 2018. तो अगर हम लोग carry on करें, we keep going down from this line, there's a high chance कि 35.5 आएगा, which was the last time we went to that lows. So there's a high chance कि अभी भी market के अंदर कुछ भी possible है. If we go into others dominance, we can clearly see कि others dominance is also trying to break out of here. We haven't had any experience of breaking above this. So यहाँ पे भी एक percentage discovery हो सकती है, because we can't really see it's a price discovery. So it can be a percentage discovery where all coins are going to discover how much of the market they can control and dominate. So this is a very interesting time to see how the altcoins are going to behave. I'm really excited to see them acting and reacting on this weekend. We might see some of them pumping and might also see some of them dumping. So if we jump into BTC USDT, we can clearly see that the market is now in a rising channel. Most rising channel end up being bearish, though we are having a drop off from this breakdown from this rising channel. We can see हम थोड़ा आके अपना 42,500 के पास आके एक सपोर्ट बना के बैठ गए. Resistance above is a lot, though a lot of people are still talking about 46,000 coming in. That would just make a chart very beautiful. It will make more clear indications to us कि यार market is doing pretty much good, because as soon as we hit 46, 52,000 is going to be activated as well. So overall still sideways, not much momentum. For me, ideally what I would have wanted कि market बस यहाँ से एक blast off movement ले, where we just blast off through in a day or two, but that's not kind of happening. हम देख रहे हैं कि leverage बहुत ज़्यादा है market में, and as soon as we begin to have any kind of upsides coming into the market, हम लोग वहीं से जो है फिर sideways भी होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. I also want to see BTC quickly in 1 hour time frame, तो हम लोग zoom in करके भी देख सकें what are the possibilities upside and downside for us to watch out for today. So if we see clearly we're in a rising channel, अब हम उससे fall होना शुरू हो गए, यहाँ पे कुछ support बना रहे. For me, there's still two downsides very important. We can go back to 41.39, and also high chance on this weekend we might even break 39 and test 38. And if we go up from here, I would activate for myself 45,500, 46,500 and 47,000. So both scenarios I want to keep open for myself. So to be safe on both sides while you're trading, this is DCA into your entries. Don't buy everything on the same spot. That's gonna either bring you a complete loss or a complete profit. We don't want to be trading into the extremes. We want to have some control on our choices as well and keep flexibility in our trades. If we jump into ETH's USDT chart, we can clearly see ETH USDT similar pattern going on, a rising channel, and now we are about 3,211 from where we're taking a very nice support. So we can expect an upside and a downside coming here as well. Similar channels, similar thing going on. Otherwise, if we jump into altcoins are looking a lot more better. If you look quickly into AXS is looking very good. Higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low. Start from here. So overall, AXS is looking pretty good. XRP is pumping right now. AR is also looking very, very good because AR is also making higher high, higher lows. Pretty much most of the altcoins right now, if I see, are following each other. The patterns are very, very similar, as we can see here. So for Solana as well, Solana is very, very close to coming back into trend when it comes for its monthly trend line, and we can see its testing just got rejected right now, and not right now, but as in just got rejected and has been trading sideways right now. Probably gonna build some momentum to try to go back into trend because it was a monthly trend. It's not easy to just get into it so convincingly. Now if we see into Atom, to Atom clearly this Atom is also been sideways after getting rejected from 44.72. Has a high chance that is probably gonna bounce from somewhere and start an upside rally as well. अगर हम AVAX को देखें, AVAX is also looking pretty good for me. I think AVAX has this beautiful double bottom. I'm waiting for something about let's see, I think it's about $103 or $4. There we go, it's about $103 of an upside that I'm waiting for to come on AXS. Phantom, my target was 3 and it's already completely achieved. It happened very, very quickly. Now we're waiting for it to consolidate here on the previous highs that we were rejected from and probably head towards 3.5, because I really think Phantom is one of the projects that's gonna have a very good week, and January as well. Major January is gonna be a big January for our Phantom here. If we look at Link, Luna, and Dot, alright, been performing fine. Some pump and some correction for Luna. I'm thinking about somewhere about $87-$90 to come soon. Overall, it's back into trend now. It has done that several times if we see that. And overall, market looks pretty sideways, pretty confusing. I'm looking forward into JRT as well, and Matic. So for Matic, I think there's a massive upside coming. Matic also had a target that it has already achieved. Now Matic is trying to consolidate, build support on our previous resistance and head towards another high. Probably we have a big news coming for Matic. So Matic has an easy chance of going to $3, $3.5 because they have a London hard fork coming very, very soon. So it's just within few days. So this is a very important opportunity also for Matic to maybe make a new all-time high again. So let's see what are the possibilities for us on this weekend. I still think there's a high chance for us to have a 39, 38 or a 46. If you ask me, I am kind of feeling a bit bullish now because the market has been coming now for a very, very long time, and a liquid cascade can't happen if we don't have a nice longs in place, and then we have quick shorts where bears come, and then we again have some longs coming into the place. That is what I think the market needs right now for people to really get flushed out of the markets, because there's too much liquidation. Once liquidity goes down and there's less derivative traders in the market, maybe the market is going to be more and more stable and we can see things more clearly. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and that's all for today, guys. Take care and bye bye.